What do you do if you're caught red-handed on videotape saying something that's completely wrong? It's just factually wrong. My recommendation: admit what you said was wrong, say what is the correct answer, have an appropriate level of remorse. If it's really not that big a deal, don't make a big deal out of it. If it's something truly significant and you've harmed people, well, then a more thorough apology is in order. If you don't do this, you're going to destroy your credibility even more, and you're only going to appeal to people who don't believe in facts and don't believe in rational thought. If that's your audience, be my guest. But if you have customers, clients, employees, voters, investors, anyone you care about, and they can see you clearly said something just demonstrably wrong, own up to it. Don't wait till so many people put pressure on you. Come out quickly, easily, without someone dragging you. And this way, your credibility will be restored. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people how to speak more effectively to the media and to live audiences. If you want more tips on how to be a better communicator, go to my website at mediatrainingworldwide.com and get some of my books for free.